Hi guys. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, or any. Wow. Hi. How are you today? It was raining last night guys, and very nice that the ground here. All the dead leaves fallen. Let's check Philip here. He's a little bit shy. He did not check yet the pool. They might have water there. There's Philip here. Wow, early morning. I'm not sure what he gonna do with that dirt. Good morning, Daile.
Good morning.
Wow, that's ready to use? Huh?
Well, pretty close. What I'm doing is putting it on top of that because it's wet. It'll help ferment that. And after the next rain, turn the whole thing because these piles, you see as they decompose, these big piles shrink down. So I'm going to start combining them so I can make new rows
Another row?
of compost like I
Wow.
did down here. I dumped all on top of here and that, and
Oh, that's a good stuff,
then we'll
Daile.
turn it and mix it. Yeah, that'll all be good stuff for planting and that. And yeah, you can use this stuff right here. I mean, this is nice.
Oh, I can plant now some of my stuff in the pots down there
Yeah.
in the garden. This might be
Well,
the
we
best
didn't
day.
we didn't get enough rain, honey. Unfortunately.
Yeah, but then look at the days. Gloomy
That's the first rain in 2 weeks.
and it should be Doro will.
I'm kind of afraid to plant in the garden yet. It's just
We already have water, Daile. You can use the water for to water the plants or beaches. I wanna plant today. The
yeah.
the beans that you told me, that's already ready to plant.
Well, those we could probably do,
They are half feet or half.
but I'm just afraid that this is. Let's not get too anxious here until we've got. This is only the first rain in July. We need a couple more rains here. And watch out.
Wow. Suck! Are you helping there?
Yeah, they're helping. They're going after the big worms, you know, the big white ones that they like to eat.
You know, they did not really get wet here because you look at the leaves on the banana.
Well,
They
yeah,
are
you
so
really
wide.
need.
They are very wide and it's not a
You
lot
really
of.
need a downpour. The little dribbly stuff, no, don't help this at all.
Wow. Very
But yeah,
nice.
combined piles here and that. So watch out. Oh, socks.
That's the worm they like. The
Oh,
white big one.
socks didn't get it. Sorry there, socks.
He always get it. I'm surprised Little did not go out. She's there on the corner, Daile. Lay down.
Well, Watch out now.
Funny
No,
dog.
we got them all down here. Watch out, Zach. Come on. Oh, yeah, you could use some of this. Wet it good. But I like it when it's all the stuff is broke down like this. Boy, just really loosens up the soil.
It's not really a sticky, Daile, unlike before. I remember before it's sticky.
Yeah, not anymore.
Maybe it's because you throw here a lot of leaves, or oh, this is because from the rice hay. I think so.
Yep.
Okay, this is good for this morning, guys. Another busy day.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Yeah, bye-bye.